welcome to the all-new Shearer Supply mobile app. To start off, let's get you access to your account. Next to the search bar here in the top left, you'll see a burger menu. Click that, and a drop-down menu that includes Login and Register will show up at the bottom. If you already have your account information, you can come here and enter your username, which is typically your email address and your password that you entered upon registration. If you have any issues accessing your username, or you need a forgot password reset, please hit the Forgot Your Password button at the bottom, or reach out to ecommerce@shearsupply.com. If you do not have an account already, you can come back to the burger menu and click the Register option. Here you'll enter your full account number, your email, and your password information. This will then be submitted to our team and reviewed within 24 to 72 hours. You will receive a confirmation email when your account has been set up. Now that you're logged into your account, let's start at the top right. If you click the circle with the person on the top right, it will bring you to your main account settings. Account settings also include some of your main features such as Dealer Central, Shear Stock, Favorites, and Commercial Quoting Center. Below at the search bar, we're going to have two different types of functionality: search by keyword or by item number. For example, we can type in thermostat, and we're going to see some suggested products at the top, as well as related categories at the bottom. For search by item number, as you type your model number, you will start to see suggested products. Whenever you find the product you're looking for, you can select directly at the product number, and it will take you directly to the product detail page. For this example, we're going to select SS2. Below the search bar is going to be our main banners. Our banners will be updated throughout the year with different events and promotions. Below the banners, on the top left button, will be our products. We can select here, and it will take us to our full category listing page. This gives you a full visual view of all of our category offerings in a very simple, easy manner. For an example, we're going to enter into the residential HVAC equipment category by selecting the condenser picture here at the top. Once you get to this page, you will see the individual product category breakdowns that are very easy to look through to find a product that you're looking for. For example, let's say we're looking for a residential condenser. On the product listing page, you will see a couple different things. You will see a sort by, amount of products per page, compare selected, and a filter option. The filter option will allow you to filter by tonnage, SEER, and various other attributes. Another great feature we've added is inventory availability by branch, all in one view. If, for example, I wanted to shop in Waco from that day, I could just select Waco from my drop-down menu after I selected the 16 available here, and I could directly select Waco from that list. Whenever I'm ready to add to the cart, I can either click into the actual product and click Add to Cart by viewing the product detail page, or through the product preview on the main page. Within the checkout cart, there's a couple things to notice. First, you'll need to select your pickup and delivery option at the top. If you do miss this checkout option, don't worry, the next part of the checkout screen has a secondary option to select pickup or delivery. Whenever you're ready to check out, hit the checkout button here at the bottom, and it'll take you to your final checkout screen. As I mentioned, you'll have a secondary option to select pickup and delivery, and you can also change your location from here. Please note, if you do change locations, the entire order will be sent to that specific branch, so inventory availability may vary. Please call or check on e-commerce for inventory availability. Under pickup, you also have a required pickup date and time, as well as a required PO number. Under cart items, the big thing I want to point out here is the cart items notes. This is the direct line of communication to the branch regarding anything on your e-commerce order. Whether it's you couldn't find a product online, you didn't know what the matching equipment was, or you just wanted to give them a bit more information to consider as they process your order. You can type in here, and this will be passed directly to the branch associated with your order. For delivery, we have two different options: Shearer milk run and hot shot delivery. Milk runs have a $1,500 minimum order, and hot shot deliveries have a $500 minimum. If you're under that $500 minimum, both of these options will be grayed out, but don't worry, just submit the order and the branch will handle it from there. You also have an option for a one-time shipping address for a job site. You can click in here, enter the address, and this will be saved directly to this order itself. If you have multiple orders going to the same job site, you will have to re-enter the one-time shipping address each order. If it's going to be a regular occurrence, please reach out to e-commerce at shearsupply.com and we can add an additional shipping address to your account. Like the pickup, we also have a notes section where you can add any type of information that you want the branch to consider within your order. Be sure to utilize that, it's a great tool. The next feature I want to go over is Dealer Central. There's two ways to get to Dealer Central. You can click the Profile menu on the top right and select Dealer Central, or you can go to the Burger menu on the left side and select Dealer Central in the middle. Dealer Central is your one-stop for everything on your account. You have access to your open orders, your full Shearer order history, regardless if you ordered online, text to the branch, called in, or emailed. You have your favorites list and your saved carts. Within open orders, if you have any open quotes that you've requested, you can view your quotes once they are completed and even accept and send your quote back to the branch for processing. To view the Dealer Central menu items, under the search bar on the right side, you will see an additional burger menu. Click there and you will see the expanded view of our menu items within Dealer Central. You will see the entire list of tools such as price books, favorites, commercial quoting center, and parts finder. Coming down, we also have the account info, address book, and an additional link to your BillTrust Pay account portal. At the bottom, we have resources that includes important links to the Warranty Center within AS DealerNet, as well as an information page on the FSR technical support line and the process. The next tool I want to go over is Quick Order. Quick Order is located on the third button on the top row. Within Quick Order, you can select into the first cell and treat it like an Excel spreadsheet. As you type in your model number, you will see suggestions populated below based on what you're typing. And whenever you found the unit you're looking for, you can select and then add the quantity on the right side. Once done, you can hit Add to Cart, and you will see your cart reflected with a new item. The next tool I want to focus on is Shear Stock. To get to Shear Stock, you can select the button on the top row of the middle of the screen, named Shear Stock. Shear Stock gives you the option to create as many lists as you would like. For example, you could have your different trucks, different warehouse locations, or anything else that's going to help your business run more efficiently. For example, we're going to come into my example list that I've created, and you'll see a list of different model numbers that I've already entered. To add an additional model to the list, you can click the blue Add button on the top right side and enter your part number. Once you see the part number you're looking for, you can select right where it says the model number, and then you can enter your min-max quantity. Typically, we do recommend having a min-max quantity that is relatively close to each other, so that you're always replenished with the maximum amount of inventory that you need. Whenever you're done, you can click Add to Row next to the maximum quantity, and that product has now been added to our list. To use the Shearer stock, you're going to go through and update the on-hand quantity. The on-hand quantity is comparing against your min-max. So if you're within that min-max range, it's not going to add any items to your cart. For example, the 406-7. For this product, let's say we have 6 in stock. As you can see, we're not going to have anything that's going to be added to our cart because we are not met anything below our minimum quantity. For 409-7, let's say for example we have only 8 in stock. You'll see that this product has now been highlighted green, and now the order quantity has been updated to 12 to reach our maximum quantity. As you complete the process, you will go through your different products that you're pulling out, check your on-hand quantity, and once you're done, you can hit Add Items to Cart. Then from here, you can select View Cart, and you can complete the checkout process. You can click the blue checkout button at the bottom, select if you want pickup or delivery, your pickup date, pickup time, any internal notes that you have, and then you can finish by placing the order. To make using Shearer stock even easier, we've added the ability to print labels and scan books. At the top of your Shearer stock list, you will see a blue print button. Select here and you'll see 3 different options: Itemized List, Labels, and Scan Books. We'll start with labels. You can select item number or manufacturer number, and then you can select the items per page. You have the option between 20 per page with 1 by 4 inch labels, or 10 per page with 2 by 4 inch labels. Once you're ready, you can hit the blue print page button on the bottom right. As you can see, it will show you a short description, the barcode with your part number, and the associated image. These can be printed out on Avery label making paper and be used to organize and keep track of your inventory in your warehouse. Next are scan books. You have the option between 6 per page and 12 per page. Scan books are great if you don't want to use Shearer stock specifically, and you only want to use scan to order. Or you can even use this to search within your list on the mobile app using the scan functionality. The next tool I want to feature is our scan to order functionality. And you just want to place orders from using a scan book. To use the scan to order, you're going to click the scan button on the bottom row. You're going to find your barcode, and you're going to line up the white box with your barcode. Once it's found the barcode, it will take you directly to the product listing, and you can add to cart and check availability.